Very good morning, guys. This video is going to discuss about the most important aspect of life, the most personality. Your personality, what you are, what is the authenticity, what is your originality, your personality. See, the word maybe have less significance over the qualities that I want to tell. The word is just to represent. The literal meaning of personality is what a person is. In, in the word, in general sense, how the word is perceived and what I perceived of this word, personality. See, what according to me, personality is. Your personality is a word which is depicting, which is representing a complex nature, the intricate values, the authentic self of yours, who you actually are. Personality. But on the outer level, or making it simple, the attitude you have. Like, what is your personality? There are various component of a personality, right? How you dress. See, here the personality is not about your physical appearance. See, here one thing I want to add, always remember, focus on what you can do. Focus on what you can do or what is possible. Does not focus on rubbish things. Utopia life cannot be an utopia. Remember this. So when I say personality, how you dress yourself, right? Because the way you dress yourself create uh, a sense of urge to perceive a notion about your own self. I'm not talking about dress good to uh, show the people how good you are looking. No, dress to feel in that way. If you dress like a decent person, if you dress decent, you feel decent. When you feel decent, you act decent. You act decent, you become decent, right? Dress for yourself. When you dress like a gentleman, you are a gentleman. Dressing sense, yeah, देखो, sorry. See, everything make its impact. Okay, if it is a small impact, tiny impact, but it is. Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Like, in the same manner, how you dress yourself, for you also it is very important. It uh, play a very crucial role of, you know in in your thought process, to improve your thought process. So whatever, wherever you go, or in a formal way, I would say, because in at home, just be comfortable. And when you go out, dress dress to impress, not to others, but to yourself. Right? Okay, dress is one of the component of your personality. Your grooming, like your haircut, your beard, your cleanliness must be there. What you wear, watches and like that, shoes, your polished shoes, all this make a kind of an impact, make an impact. So, cut your beard properly, be a gentleman. Your hair should not be like a wild beast. Well, inside you feel beast, but don't let anybody to know that you are actually a beast. One thing, one more thing which is very important is that I'm talking at this point of time. I'm talking about the outer surface. Like I'm talking about the external things that you can do, that you must do to make a good impact in internal. Hmm? And these are just basic things. Your personality, how you talk, how you talk to people, how you treat them. You treat them with courtesy, with kindness, with seriousness. Uh, when it is about humor also, what is the kind of level of your humor and at what stage you are playing your humor? That is very important. You must have heard the double meaning jokes, like so there is a place for everything. There is time for everything. When you are in such a place, use your words. Your words are very important. When you speak, you let the world know who you actually are, right? So speak properly. Don't hesitate while speaking. Take a break before speaking. And when you speak, just be confident. It does not matter what you speak when you speak in a way that impress the other person. Like in a vibe also, I would suggest to you all that it's not about the how the question has been asked to you, or whatever the question the examiner will be asking. What is the most important? He has not come here to ask questions to you. He has come to you to know how you would answer and how would you deal. That person also know that no one knows everything, but how you deal with it, how you perceive the idea of being ignorant regarding something, how you speak properly without any hesitation, without blah blah blah. Be confident. It is autonomous to what you know. It is autonomous to the words that you can use to express yourselves. Before speaking, take a break. While speaking, don't hesitate. After speaking, keep quiet. That's it. Stick to the point. Be a straightforward when there's surrounding to be such a person. Hmm. Yeah, personality. We have talked about dressing sense. We have talked about grooming. We have talked about words. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the results we give. See, your personality makes you what you are, or what you are is called your personality. So, whatever you do, you must do by perceiving the idea that who you actually are. Like, whatever do, there should be a leniency, there should be a cleanliness, a clearness, apparentness should be maintained. Okay, it's not. It's the things that I'm telling that these are not related to any kind of rules and regulation. No, it is just to know. That's it. Once you know that, it's not about remembering them, memorizing them. It's all about action, how you do things. See, you do things, and you have to do things, and you enjoy things. Just the way, just shift the way of doing those things to very effective and efficient and pragmatic, clear way. Okay, so whatever you do, just do it with full presence, determination, dedication, with full perseverance until it is done. Okay, the leniency, your personality, the imprints of your personality must be traced, they should be there in your work. I'm talking about writings, I'm talking about every project that you do and you are supposed to give any assignment. Okay, your personality is the result of one more factor, that is your thought process. How you think, how you perceive things. What do you think about? What, mind my words, I'm telling what you think about. There are so many things, there are so many issues prevailing in the world right now. What is your opinion about that? Always remember this word. We are not here to accept what others says. We are here to know what is happening, what we think about that. I'm telling you this fact that there are 7 more than 8 billion people, and for a particular thing or phenomena there can be 8 more than 8 billion interpretation, point of views. It's never completed, it's never finished. In this particular point of time, I know there are so many innovations, discoveries, the which are yet to be discovered, yet to be innovate, yet to be find out. There's a lot to find out. The world is still a mystery. We have not even explored even 1% of this world. We must understand that what is our opinion. We never follow the crowd walk. Never do that. What is your opinion about any aspect, any phenomena, any issue? That's very important. So always put your opinion, which make you which just a testament of your authenticity, originality. You are not a copied one. Your process, your thought are not copied. That's a very important thing. You must remember this. Be authentic, be yourself, right? You don't need to be a different person. Qualities, yeah, good qualities, you can acquire them, but mold them according to you. Nothing is perfect, nothing is complete. No one is God in this world. In this world, no person is God. No person is God. A person can be very good, very intelligent, very kind of miraculous, mysterious, powerful, but he is not God or she is not God. Hmm? Yeah. So be yourself. कोई क्राइम नहीं करोगे अगर आप अपने व्यूज़ को करोगे और देखो मतलब अपने व्यूज़ को एक्सप्रेस करोगे। देखो अगर जितने भी व्यूज़ आपके पास हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर फिनोमेना के बीच में वो किसी न किसी के ओरिजिनल हैं, याद रखना। अगर आप जाओगे शुरुआत में उसके ओरिजिन में वो किसी न किसी के ओरिजिनल हैं व्यूज़। तो इट इज़ पॉसिबल ना कि भाई वो इंसान ओरिजिनल व्यूज़ बना रहा है, हमने मान लिया, प्रिवेल हो गया तो हमने मान लिया। आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस की बात हो गई। देन वी हैव एटीट्यूड, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग। एट मोस्ट थिंग मैं तो कहूँगा सबसे बड़ी चीज़ तो यही है कि व्हाट इज़ योर एंगल, अपने एंगल से देखो हर चीज़ को। दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग। कुछ भी हो रहा है इट्स डजेंट मैटर, दुनिया में कुछ भी होता है, यहाँ से क्या रिएक्शन जाएगा दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे, बाय। Attitude is the utmost thing. Attitude changes everything, everything, because everything which we perceive is just because of our attitude. So when we change our attitude, everything changes. That is a fact. That is fact. Okay. So one thing which is on the top is your attitude. No matter what is happening, no matter what is going on, no matter what what is happening in the other world, what is the reality, how you perceive it can change it in a drastic way. Everything can be changed in a point, the moment when you decide to see from a different point of view. Okay, bye. Attitude must be prevail.